Imagine a car that was meant to revolutionize the luxury market, but instead became one of the most spectacular failures in automotive history. Welcome to the fascinating story of the Cadillac Allante, a tale of innovation, ambition, and unexpected downfall. The Cadillac Allante was meant to revolutionize luxury, yet it became one of General Motors' most spectacular failures. How did a car with Italian craftsmanship, American muscle, and a groundbreaking production process stumble so badly? The Cadillac Allante was introduced in 1987 as a bold attempt to compete with European luxury roadsters, especially Mercedes-Benz and Jaguar. Designed by the legendary Italian firm Pininfarina, its body was crafted in Italy and then flown for 1,600 miles to GM's Michigan plant for final assembly. This transatlantic production process, called the Allante Air Bridge, added immense costs, making it one of the most expensive cars GM ever produced. Despite the promise of world-class luxury, the Allante struggled to deliver on multiple fronts. When it debuted, it featured a 4.1-liter aluminum V8 engine, producing 170 horsepower. While GM intended for it to be a high-performance luxury roadster, its power output was underwhelming compared to its European rivals. Over the years, improvements were made. By 1990, the engine was upgraded to a 4.5-liter V8 with 200 horsepower, providing better performance, but still falling short of expectations. The real breakthrough came in 1993, when Cadillac equipped it with the 4.6-liter Roadster V8, producing 295 horsepower. By then, however, it was too late. Inside, the Allante boasted premium leather seats, advanced electronics, and a digital dashboard that felt ahead of its time. It came with both a removable hardtop and a soft-top convertible roof, giving buyers more options. While the interior screamed luxury, early models suffered from poor build quality, electrical issues, and a lack of refinement that customers expected from a $50,000-plus car. Despite improvements, Cadillac struggled to convince buyers that the Allante was a worthy alternative to European rivals. The high price tag, production complications, and early mechanical issues tarnished its reputation. Only about 21,000 units were sold throughout its entire production run, making it a rare collectible today. Currently, the Allante can be found in the collector's market at prices ranging from $10,000 to $40,000, depending on condition and model year. The 1993 Roadster-equipped versions are the most sought after due to their increased performance and reliability. While it never became the flagship luxury roadster GM envisioned, it remains a fascinating piece of automotive history. Want to be part of an exclusive community of car enthusiasts? Subscribe now and join the conversation. Let's celebrate automotive legends, from spectacular successes to the most ambitious failures.